everyone. Today we are going to learn about laboratory animals diseases. The given picture is of infectious ecteromelia, that is also known as mouse pox, diseases of rat, mice, and guinea pig, caused by Clostridium piliformi, Bacillus piliformis. Tyser disease, watery diarrhea, necrotic hepatitis, and death. Endemic in many rabbit colonies but can affect horse, rat, mice, and hamster. Disease first described in 1917 in mice, gram negative, spore forming motile. Pathogenesis, horizontal transmission, fecal oral route, contaminated feed in water, enteritis, and necrotizing hepatitis. Death occur within few days of infection. Symptoms severe diarrhea, weakness, death, sometimes jaundice or bleeding from anus and death. Lesion, hemorrhagic enteritis involving cecum, rectum, and colon. Grayish, yellowish, necrotic lesion on heart and liver, leukopenia, and increase in SGPT. Pseudotuberculosis, also called yersiniosis, Yersinia pseudotuberculosis, calciative nodules on liver, lungs, and kidney, transmission by contact, ingestion, inhalation. Infectious spread rapidly and diagnosis is difficult, so we go for blood examination since guinea pig don't show early signs or symptoms. Symptoms and lesion, swollen lymph nodes in head and neck, diarrhea, weight loss, diagnosis, physical and blood examination. Salmonellosis, Salmonella enteritis, variety Typhimurium, Salmonella enteritis, Salmonella Dublin, fever, diarrhea, multifocal, necrotic foci in liver, rare in domestic rats, spread to ingestion mainly, inhalation, spread through the infected rat, so of zoological potential. Symptoms splenomegaly, multifocal necrotic lesion on liver, kidney, spleen, and intestine, microscopic future infiltration of macrophage, neutrophil lymphocyte, necrosis and lesion are more pronounced in liver, spleen, and kidney. Pathogenesis, Salmonella ingested in food survive passes through the gastric acid barrier and invade the mucosa of the small and large intestine, produce toxin, invasion of epithelial cells stimulate the release of pro-inflammatory cytokine which induce an inflammatory reaction. The acute inflammatory response cause diarrhea and may lead to ulceration and destruction of the mucosa. The bacteria can disseminate from the intestine to cause the systemic disease. Diagnosis, system and lesion, gram staining demonstrating gram negative rods, impression smear, cultural examination from liver. Infectious ecteromelia, also known as smallpox, it is an important question in objective question. Infectious disease of mice characterized by facial edema, pustule on skin, ulcer on muzzle, lips, ear, and tail. Etiology caused by mouse pox, DNA virus of Poxviridae family. Pathogenesis, transmission by direct contact, fomite, cutaneous trauma, pox lesion develop within 7 to 11 days. Animal handlers may also transmit the disease. Clinical manifestation, facial eczema, swelling of legs, conjunctivitis, cutaneous pustule, ulcer on leg, muzzle, ear, or tail. Acromelia, it means partial amputation of limbs and tail, leading to paralysis. Macroscopic symptom, necrotic foci on liver, ulcer on leg, ear, tail, and pustule on skin. Microscopic feature, hepatocellular necrosis in spleen, thymus, pear patches, pustule ulcer on skin, intracytoplasmic eosinophilic bodies. Okay, intracytoplasmic eosinophilic bodies. Diagnosis by intracytoplasmic eosinophilic bodies, inclusion bodies, virus isolation, or by polymerase chain reaction. Infantile diarrhea caused by Shigella, caused by Salmonella, or pathogenic E. coli. 50% of the cases are caused by the non-bacterial agent called virus, that is rotavirus. So 50% of the cases are caused by Shigella, Salmonella, pathogenic E. coli, otherwise caused by rotavirus. Murine hepatitis virus, Coronaviridae family, it is a coronavirus, high mortality, progressive demyelinating encephalitis as a murine model of multiple sclerosis. Lymphocytic choriomeningitis LCMV, neurological disease in human, member of Erinaviridae family, single-stranded RNA, musculus, both natural and reservoir host, so virus transfer vertically and horizontally from one generation to next within mouse population via intrauterine infection. Hamster also act as reservoir host. Shedding of virus through excretion like urine, feces, saliva, nasal discharge. Infectious disease in wild mice, virus, that is lymphocytic choriomeningitis, non-cytolytic, as well as congenital infection provide immunotolerance, so signs are asymptomatic. First, symptoms, fever, headache, malaise means unpleasant feeling, and myalgia is the pain in group of muscles, or muscle anorexia, nausea, vomiting, uneasiness. Leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia, mild elevation in liver enzymes, and infiltrate on the chest radiograph. Thank you and have a nice day.